We are making popcorn. Popcorn. You want sugar? No, put sugar, put sugar. Put sugar and small salt, please. The only thing you think you can make is popcorn. We are making sweet popcorn. We added oil, vegetable oil. We're gonna add some sugar and is that not too much? And some salt. So we are cooking it for how many minutes? For 2 minutes, Abby.
You don't get enough pressure. Hold there, I suppose.
Cover it.
Yeah, I'm waiting on chewing gum there.
It's not the same one you used last time.
No, it's not what I use.
The one that was small. It's your boy. Doesn't matter.
So I'm charging. I charge. I'm charging.
Wow.
I'm charging. Should the phone break out?
Sweet popcorn.
It's almost finished.
Is it okay?
No, it's still a pump, but
Wow. So that's more corn. 9 food is. I don't like too much sugar, please. So if you leave it open, plate. Yeah, our popcorn is ready. Yummy. Yeah, sweet popcorn, sweet popcorn. Sweet Fanta Diallo. Oh, easy, mama. Yummy. Look at our chef, our popcorn chef.
of course you say you don't want sugar. Of course you say you don't want.
Wow. Look at our popcorn.
You see sugar no there.
Yummy.
Popcorn sugar. Popcorn sugar.
Guys, who cares for popcorn?
No, go sit down for outside. See what you will use the top. Before we chop this one finish now, hunger go stop.
Bring that potato.
You're happy.
We are eating junk.
It's a junk. Serious junk.
We are eating junk.
Nobody will do burger for you.
they do, but their burger not the sweet. Cheers, 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 cheers. Stepping down like. What did you try that?